Imagine finishing assignments, studying for exams, and managing your entire semester while getting back 10 to 15 hours every single week. In 2026, the best free AI tools make this possible. Today on Logic Vise, I'm sharing the ultimate list of AI tools every student needs, whether you're in high school, college, or pursuing online courses. These tools will help you study smarter, write faster, research better, and reduce stress. Stick till the end because I'll share my complete student productivity stack and real workflows that students are using to get top grades with less effort. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Logic Vise, your practical guide to using AI for real results. I'm Logic Vise. This is a complete student-focused guide. We'll cover 20 powerful free AI tools across note-taking, research, writing, presentations, coding, exam prep, and automation. For each tool, you'll get real student use cases, time saved, pro tips, free plan limitations, and how to combine them. No fluff. Only tools that actually work and are free or have strong free tiers. In 2026, let's dive in and transform how you study. Tool 1, Claude by Anthropic. The best all-rounder for students right now. How it saves time, handles long essays, analyzes research papers, explains complex topics, and helps with coding assignments. Student example: upload your 40-page research paper and ask Claude to create a perfect outline, generate citations, and even draft sections. What used to take 8 hours now takes under 45 minutes. Best for essay writing, literature reviews, understanding difficult concepts. Free plan tip: use Claude projects to organize notes for each subject. Limitation: occasional slower responses during peak times. Tool 2, ChatGPT OpenAI. Still essential for quick help. Best for brainstorming essay ideas, explaining concepts simply, creating study schedules, and practicing interview questions. Pro tip: use voice mode while commuting to review lessons hands-free. Tool 3, Perplexity AI, the research superhero. It gives accurate, cited answers instantly. Time saved. Research that took hours now takes minutes. Perfect for academic papers. Tool 4, Gemini by Google. Best if you use Google Docs, Gmail, or Classroom. It can summarize lecture slides, turn notes into flashcards, or analyze your past assignments for improvement. Tool 5, NotebookLM. This might be the most valuable tool for students in 2026. Upload lecture recordings, PDFs, textbooks, and notes. It creates summaries, study guides, quizzes, timelines, and even AI-generated podcasts from your materials. Real student story. One user uploaded all semester notes and generated a 2-hour audio summary perfect for revision while walking or exercising. Tool 6, Notion AI. Turn Notion into your smart second brain. Generate summaries, action items from lectures, and connect ideas across subjects. Tool 7, DeepL. Write assignments in multiple languages with natural, accurate translations. Tool 8, Grammarly plus ChatGPT combo. Polish your essays and reports faster than ever. Tool 9, Gamma.app. Create beautiful presentations and reports in minutes from a simple prompt. Tool 10, ElevenLabs. Record voiceovers for video, assignments, or practice presentations with realistic AI voices. Tool 11, Perplexity plus NotebookLM workflow. The ultimate research combo. Tool 12, Quizlet. AI features plus NotebookLM for smart flashcards and practice tests. Tool 13, Consensus AI or Perplexity for scientific paper summaries. Tool 14, Leonardo AI, stunning visuals for projects and presentations. Tool 15, Canva Magic Studio, design posters, infographics, and study materials. Tool 16, CapCut AI, edit assignment videos quickly. Tool 17, Cursor, AI code editor. Tool 18, Hugging Face and Ollama, experiment with AI models locally. Tool 19, N8N, automate assignment reminders, email summaries, etc. Tool 20, Full Student Workflow, how to combine Claude, NotebookLM, Gamma, and N8N for a complete semester system. My recommended student stack: Claude plus NotebookLM plus Perplexity for core work, Gamma plus Canva for output, and 8N for automation. These tools can genuinely cut your study time in half while improving your results. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Comment, which tool will you try first? Or tell me your biggest student struggle. I'll make more targeted videos. Thank you for watching. Stay consistent, study smart, and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck with your studies.